Yo. So I must look like a crazy person. Like, I'm vlogging. This is so weird. Like, this is really weird. Ugh. It's really not fun. It's copyright. I need to, like, enter a different area. Okay. This is so weird. So, walking home. That's fun. Luckily, no one will know where I live because I'm not vlogging anywhere near my house. I go to unnamed school and I live on unnamed road. Off the Dome, shout out. Go subscribe. Off the Dome podcast. I love their podcast actually. It's a very good podcast. You should subscribe. There's a crow. I think I'm just gonna play this off as a FaceTime call. I don't want to look like a weirdo who talks to themselves. Like, it's really weird. I love crossing roads. I hate it so much. I don't want to get run over. To be honest, if I get run over on camera, whoever's watching this, if I am run over, upload this video. I'm tired of this song. This tree is really pretty. It's cool. That's so cringy. Like, filming himself. Just chilling. I don't even know how I'll make this video entertaining, but it won't be very long. Like, to be honest, when we get to the unnamed golf club, I'm gonna eat food on camera, basically. You know, I'm trendy. I'm so cringy. I'm so cringy. I'm gonna edit this tonight. Beneficial. It'll probably get dark soon. Great song. Bit of a banger. Nice. Nice. Awkward. That's going in the veils. Not fun. Tried to run for the traffic light, didn't make it. Love that. Love that for me. Love that for us. Made it. That's embarrassing. See, there's a big puddle. Almost in unnamed golf club. Happy Song by Bring Me the Horizon, my favourite song of all time. I'm learning it on drums as well. I might do an actual drum cover rather than just editing my fails into a fail compilation. Fun. This unnamed golf club is kind of a bit dodgy. Yeah. Puddle. Little mad. I'm edgy. I don't know. I just hope no dogs come and attack me. It's disgusting. But it's really not a sunrise. Like, I'm not vibing. Another unnamed school is over in that direction. It's kind of weird. So annoying. It kind of seems weird. Just a little weird. There's so much more. Why do I walk this way? My shoelaces are undone as well, so they're going to get muddy. That's like really insane. Like, you know, that's really mean. Decent content. Look too much like an egg. So that's fun. I don't really care. Stranger danger. Intimate. It's not that intimate. Get into the deep tea. So I'm still in unnamed golf course. It's getting pretty dark. I think I just heard the firework. It's really scary because there's like a tree over here that looks like a person. I don't really have anything to fight them with. Like, I have a packet of Doritos. I'd rather not use that to fight somebody with. Ooh, muddy. I made it. It was the creepiest thing. I kept hearing an ice cream van. The music was in minor key. That's creepy as well. There's a bus, come on, hit me. I sound like such a psycho. I'm not. Whatever. My lighting's gonna be whack for this video. Whack! It's what? Up. Okay, just leave.